In this video, we're going to look at the different wires that you find in plugs and cables, and also why touching the wrong one can give you an electric shock. Here in the UK, the majority of our electricity comes from the national grid, which distributes power all across the country to homes and businesses, and this supply is known as the main supply. It operates as an alternating current, or AC, with a voltage of around 230 volts and a frequency of 50 Hz, meaning the current changes direction 50 times per second. When we plug an appliance into a wall socket, whether it's a kettle, phone charger, or television, we're directly connecting it to this main supply using a cable, and usually that cable is a 3-core cable, which simply means it has 3 individual wires inside it: the live wire, the neutral wire, and the earth wire. All 3 wires are made from copper to allow electricity to flow through them easily, but to make them safe to handle, they are each wrapped in a colored plastic coating which acts as insulation, and these colors aren't random. They are standardized to help us identify their roles. The brown wire is the live wire, and this is the one that carries the actual alternating voltage of around 230 volts from the supply straight into the appliance. Then we have the blue wire, which is called the neutral wire, and it completes the circuit by carrying current back away from the appliance. Its potential difference is 0 volts. The third wire, which is striped green and yellow, is the earth wire, and this one doesn't usually carry any current at all. It also sits at 0 volts, but its job is all about safety. If the live wire were to ever come loose inside the plug and touch the metal casing of the appliance, the earth wire would provide a safe pathway for the electricity to travel to the ground instead of through a person, preventing a dangerous electric shock. This is possible because electricity always flows from a higher to a lower potential difference, and since both the neutral and earth wires are at 0 volts while the live wire is at 230, current will happily move towards either of those. The problem is that humans also have a potential difference of 0 volts, so if someone touches the live wire, their body can suddenly become the route for that current to travel through, resulting in a serious shock. That's why even a plug socket that looks switched off can still be dangerous if touched, because the live wire still holds voltage. Anyway, that's everything for this video, so if you found it helpful, do give it a like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.